everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Did I have a hard time today getting myself together? But it's time for the monthly Mojo Tag for August. Three things we're using is we're going to use some trims, butterflies, and a sticker. And the reason why sticker is back is because we've been accumulating all these stickers and all these things from all these sales that we go to that I gotta put them in use. So these came from the Hobby Lobby sale. This came from a Joann sale. So I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. And the butterflies are from a punch that I also got in some sale. So hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's having fun. If you feel like following along with me for this monthly Mojo Tag thing, I'll be doing it for a few more months because it keeps my creativity going. And when I'm feeling like I don't really want to do nothing, monthly Mojo Tag got me going, keeps me going. So here we are. I hope that I'm in camera with this. So I got this nice lacy looking background that I put over my tag, and I haven't quite figured out which trim I want to do because this is kind of like a wedding like tag that I want to do here. So I think I'm going to see how this one looks. I'm going to pull this off and see how this one will look along my tag. But I think its color is too off. I think the color's too off. So I'll have to put that back, my Hobby Lobby buys, for another time. And see if I can use that one another time. But let's check out the Joann's trim that I got on sale. And if you didn't see that video, don't you hate these things where you can never figure out where's the way that they open? You would hope that they open down there at the bottom, but they don't. So this is a multi-pack of trims. And I just want to use, like, I don't want a whole bunch of it. I just kind of want to trim it down the side to give it kind of, because I want to do something, it's wedding like. So I want to do like a little thing going down the side. Get my Fabri-Tac out. I hope it's going to work for me today, Fabri-Tac, because it usually kind of goes nope, 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 Jay, nope. There we go with the nope, 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 Jay. Like, I don't know why it always talks to me like that, but it's always going, nope, not coming out, not coming out. Hope everybody had a most pleasant weekend. Sunday was a busy day. I wanted to get my whole house cleaned up and get everything done, cut the grass and do all that stuff. After you know what, I'm going to tell you the truth. After I cut that grass, vacuum, and do stuff like that, that is all she wrote for me. I don't have much of anything left after that. Hope that's going to be enough. Let me see if I can give it just a little bit more in a couple spots. A little bit more. Fabri-Tac. Okay. So I want to put this down like that. Press it, press it, press it. There we go. Oh, I think that looks pretty. Now, the sticker. And the thing about these tags is it doesn't take long, and you can, you can use them, give them for gifts, do all that kind of stuff that you, well, you could use it and give it for gifts. Maybe the reason why some of these tags are on clearance is because they're old. And they've been at the store so long, because this one actually came apart here. They've been at the store so long that, and this one has a little pop tape on the back, but I might want to pop it up a little bit higher if I can find my pop tape here. I can find a little bit more tape for it to pop it up a little bit higher. So I want to put a little bit more pop tape on it to make sure I get it sitting up pretty good. Don't you just hate the tape when it gets all over you? Dang. Okay, I want to make sure I'm just going to put it right over that, because I think that tape is pretty old and it's not gonna stick. It looks a little old and like it's not gonna stick. Okay, so this is a wedding cake. And make it a little bit more wedding-y there. Get my little pokey tool out. Pull this off. There we go. Pull this off. Did you see me? I have to concentrate trying to pull that off there. I think I need another little piece of the tape to go on its base. Another little piece on its base. I have to concentrate so I can make sure. That I can get this on the base here. There, I want it to stick up too much. Let me trim it. I like this, my desk is a mess. I like this sticker. I really like this sticker, the wedding cake. When I saw it there, I think it was like 94 cents or 99 cents or something like that. And I was like, ooh, pick that up. That could make something. Could go in a good card in case you're gonna do a card for someone. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. And I like the background. I like the background on it. And then, ooh, at the top of the cake, it has this cake topper. I think it goes, I'm going to put it on the back of the cake instead of the top. It says love, like that. And then I have my butterfly, my pink butterflies that I want to put on there. Cut them out with a tag. Okay, if I can get them on there, like that. Hoping they stay down. I don't want them to be so dimensional. I don't want them to be popping up. I want the cake to be the main pop-up thing. A little bit off. You know what I think I really want to? I think I want a little more of this trim. I think I want some more of this trim right at the bottom like that. I think I might put some at the top and at the bottom. See the sticky stuff? Just too sticky. Too sticky. You know, when your glue say it's gonna work, then most of the time, you're so used to your glue not working, you're going, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. And I have this to wipe my hands with. So I want to stick that down because I like the look of it. I like the look of it. I think I want a little bit there at the top too. Let me flip her around. Oh. Flip it around. Just a little right there. Okay, I just want a little, oops, I'm a mess. I'm a mess right now. I just want a little right there. This, cutting it here with this. If you cut with your dull scissors that always have glue on them, it messes it up. Okay. Tell me what you're thinking so far. How does it look so far? I think it looks pretty cool. It looks like that's gonna come up. See, that's what you get when you get an old tag, an old sale tag. Stuff may come up. There. I like the butterflies a little bit. Not as much as I thought I would like them, but I like them. I like them. I like them. Now, I need to put a hole in my tag, hoping my thing works. Okay, let's see if I can get the hole back in my tag. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't get that down in there. Where's my hole? There it is. Okay, got my hole back in my tag. Oh, move that out the way. Get yourself back down there. There you go. There you go. You know what? I'm loving this We Are Memory Keepers hole puncher because it comes with all the size holes and you just move it. Got this thing at Tjayebirds for 60% off. Love it. Because I always had such a hard time with my, sometimes with my crocodile. But this works really well. So, here is, I'm going to use this through here. Let me push it through. Push it through. And cut it. Put it up there. Bow tie's not my best thing, ladies, gentlemen. There's my bow. And here you are. Here is this month's monthly Mojo Tag. You know, I might play around with that a little bit. Wonder if I have any. Nope. I thought I had some pearls here on the deck. Oh, I do. Okay. See, I know I said only a couple of things, but the butterflies are looking kind of lacking, so I think they need a pearl. I think the butterflies need a pearl. I think they need a pearl. I think the wings may need a little pearl like that. I know I said only three things, the main three things, but it lacks something, so I needed to add a pearl there, and a pearl, and a pearl there. Okay, there we have it. This month's monthly Mojo Tag. Let's bring the camera down so you can see it. Move it over. There it is. That's this month's monthly Mojo Tag. And the three things, trim, there's my trim, butterfly, and a sticker. So that's my monthly Mojo Tag for the month of August. August is usually kind of a wedding season like June, July. It's kind of my wedding tag. Tell me what you think about it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to participate in the monthly mojo tag, wherever on social media that you make the tag using the 3 prompts, use hashtag monthly mojo tags, and I'll look at it and come and comment on yours. Thank you very much for joining me today. Be safe, be the reason somebody smiles, and join in with the monthly mojo tag. You can make yours any way you want using the 3 prompts, and it's fun. If you haven't been doing anything in a while and you feel like you need to get it going again, try the monthly mojo tag. Check out the series. I also will post the link to the playlist so you can see the other tags, and I'll talk to you soon. Everybody have a good week. Bye.